When your doors are opening and closing thousands of times a day, wear and tear is inevitable. That's why regular maintenance is crucial. It helps ensure your entrance is safe and secure for staff and customers, reduce breakdowns, and prolong the life of your automatic door operators. A dormakaba service plan is the simplest and safest way to keep doors operating smoothly and meet safety standards and building code requirements. The dormakaba Group have been servicing the doors of Australia's biggest brands for over 50 years. Our service team provides complete coverage over Australia and New Zealand. Our service plans cover automatic, manual and industrial doors, as well as physical access systems, movable walls, revolving doors and boom gates, ensuring you'll get the required services by a qualified door technician compliant with current automatic door standards. And if there's a problem, we're just a phone call away on our 24/7 service hotline. As technology develops, we'll keep you at the forefront of the latest connected access, service and business tools, offering cloud-based real-time data and effectively reducing the cost of reactive call-outs. With each service, you'll receive a service report, and you can also request a detailed report listing the entire history of your door, including call-outs, spend and upgrades to date from our Service Max database. A dormakaba service plan gives business owners and facility managers peace of mind. You'll never again worry about staying compliant, maintaining your doors, or knowing who to call 24/7 if something goes wrong. dormakaba, ensuring you're always open for business.